Hello viewer, here in front of you, this is a new Sony 3CCD camera setup. The camera has 800 line resolution. In addition to that one, it is ENG cum EFP. This camera can be converted as a camcorder if you use the portable dockable Betacam VCR. Let us see here what are the accessories available here. It is main camera head of Sony DXC637P camera, whose zoom lens is here. And the power of zoom lens is 1:16x. The microphone attached with the camera is here, and this is a small screen viewfinder. This is camera adapter. This adapter gives the multi-core output. The zoom lens has the motorized zooming facilities. This is a 5-inch black and white viewfinder for this camera. This camera has the facilities to adjust this viewfinder for center marking through this one, and the tail light connections and indication through this one. Compared to other viewfinder, this viewfinder has the tele facilities, this one for cameraman and this is for presenter. This viewfinder can be connected on the camera through this one here, and the power supply is connected in the camera. For ENG mode operation of this camera, we use Sony NP1B batteries. This is Sony NP1B battery, which is rechargeable, and to charge this battery, here we have the battery charger. This battery charger can charge 4 batteries at a time, and the battery can be installed in this battery charger in this mode. And after fully charging these batteries, we take it out and install in this camera. This way. For EFP mode operation of this camera can be connected via a multi-core 26-pin cable. This is a CCU called Camera Control Unit. The Camera Control Unit has the manual as well as the auto facilities for pedestal, for iris, and in addition to these things, we can control the gain, the RGB labels, gamma, and so many things. In EFP mode operation, to make link between the cameraman and the CCU person, we use this headset. The one end of this headset goes to CCU and the unit goes to head of the CCU control person, which can make two-way contact between the cameraman and the person sitting in CCU. This is a high resolution 600 TV lines component monitor. In addition to component facilities, it has the facilities of RGB as well as color composite video signal input facility. To operate this camera on a stand, the tripod stand is here. The height of this tripod can be increased. And to fit the camera on a stand, we have here the fluid head. And these pan bars can be fitted in the camera stand for smooth movement of panning shot. We have tripod adapter. This tripod adapter is fitted in the fluid head in this way. To give movement effect to the stand, we have dolly. These are the accessories of a camera stand. Let us see how to mount these accessories to make a full camera stand for studio use operation. This is a dolly which has 3 arms, and spread these arms so that the angle between the 2 arms become 120 degree. Lock the dolly. All the 3 locks must be put to ensure that there is no movement in the dolly while installing the camera stand. Now place the stand over the dolly, taking the precautions that legs are mounted at proper place and tight the screws. Ensure that proper locking has been done. This is necessary to keep safe camera from falling on the ground. All the three legs of the stand must be locked and screws properly tight. Now place the fluid head over the stand and rotate so that it goes properly into the stand. Use both hands to safeguard the thread of the fluid head. Tight it properly. Now place the adapter plate over the fluid head and slide through the channel. This sound is for locking the fluid head and the camera adapter plate. Put the pan bar on the stand and tight the screws so that pan bars are not loose. Before fitting the camera on the stand, please see the smooth panning as well as tilt operation of the fluid head fitted on the camera stand. This is the tilt down operation of the camera head. Tilt up and tilt down operations of the fluid head through the pan bars. Unlock the dolly and see it has a smooth movement on the floor. Now this stand is ready to accommodate the camera. Before fitting the camera on camera stand, first dock the camera adapter into the main camera head and ensure that the locks and the multi-pin switch goes in proper place, and ensure that you are not damaging this multi-pin adapter. Put and see from all angle that the camera head and the camera adapters are in proper position. Screw the threading, keeping the safety precautions of the camera. Screw all the variable points. Now your camera is ready to be fitted on the camera stand. Now place the camera on the camera adapter plate and slide forward direction. The click sounds gives the proper fitting of the camera on the stand. Lock camera and unlock while taking it out. Now your camera is ready for use.